It's May 4th, 2026. Welcome to YesToHellWith.com. Now listen, this is a late video in the evening here, and I'm going to address a very specific issue and make a very special invitation. I get an incredible amount of emails and text messages on social media about questions that people have. I get a slew of requests to help people with particular problems. And one of the messages that I fail to articulate well, and I fail to repeat it sufficiently, is that like those who have the SOU for You package, which has the Liberty Dialogues series within it, 5-volume series, those who have that package are duplicating my efforts. They ask themselves the questions that they would ask me, which is the value of the Liberty Dialogues. It is a constitutional, truth-based platform when used with AI and used correctly, and it will give you answers to questions that you send me. This is one of the main reasons that I spend time promoting the Liberty Dialogues and holding live workshops during the week. So here is a proposal. If you have questions, if you have issues in your personal life, and you don't have the time or inclination or even the money to talk to a lawyer, and you want answers that are more credible than what you may hear through normal channels, then I encourage you, this is a special invitation, to come to a live workshop tomorrow night, a live video conference call, and learn how to use the Liberty Dialogues framework within AI, and I use ChatGPT, to get the answers that will help you. You don't need to talk to me. If you learn this process, you will be your own best lawyer. You will be your own best investigator. Why? Because you have the Liberty Dialogues series. And what I do on these calls is I educate people on how to use them. I talk about my history and how they came to be, this Liberty Dialogues series. I explain how to use them with ChatGPT, and I go through examples with people. I go through their personal examples. Now, take this to heart. As opposed to asking me or anybody, and if you would rather get the answer yourself by doing a little bit of work, for a modest price point of some $60 to $70 with the SOU for You package, you will be your own best advocate. So here's the bottom line. I receive a lot of emails and texts and messages about people and their problems. Now, I can't answer them, and I only talk to those who have the SOU for You package. It's a liability insurance that I have to use. I can only speak with those who want to be educated about how to find answers themselves. So here's the deal. Tomorrow night, we're going to have another live session. If you want to attend this live call and you do not have the SOU for You package, the Liberty Dialogue series, and you have doubts or questions and you don't want to commit, then come to this call. I will give you special access. You will receive an email, and all you need to do is follow the instructions. Send an email to info@YesToHellWith.com and enter the words "need special access." Okay? So I hope this helps you. I often am concerned that people don't understand why I do not respond. There's too much risk. So I am proposing that if you want to attend the live call, to attend the live call. And as always, may truth reign supreme.